Alright guys, this is a quick video. There's some news today. Voton opened up a brand new staking pool. Their first one got locked up really quick. It was really popular. As you can see, you asked, we delivered. After countless messages from the community, we launched the second VTN staking pool just for you. Oop. Your feedback has been fire, and this and this pool is a thank you to everyone who believes in what we're building. Like the first one, once it fills, it closes. And this time, third pool isn't guaranteed. In under 24 hours, it has already filled 15%, up to 79% APY. Yata-ta-ta. So let's go through that real quick, because I want to be able to put this out quick enough so you can like figure it out too. Let me start from the beginning. Let me log out real quick. So first you have to sign in. You go to web3.voton.io/sign in. You probably don't have an account, so click sign up. You can sign up with Google. It's really easy. It's one click. I already signed up, so it's just one click and you're good to go. Boom. Voton is solid. They built for people like Stellar in the past and big companies. Check it out in the live I did last night. Okay, and then you go to Trex. Bada bing. Go to the left. You hit staking. Bada boom. Bam. You can see this is their first pool that got ate up. You can see here tiered APY 16% for 30 days, 27% for 90 days, 44% for 180 days, 79% if you stake for 365 days, which is 1 year, obviously. 10-day cooldown once you stake, so you can't like stake, unstake. You have to wait at least 10 days. Alright, so let's do it real quick. Stake. You hit a stake. I don't have the Voton wallet, so I'm gonna use an external wallet. Connect wallet. I just figured out I can't use Phantom, so I'm gonna use the Trust wallet that I used to connect earlier. But oopsie, that's copied. I have to send it from my Phantom wallet first. Let me pause the video real quick. Alright, and we're back. Sorry about that. I had to send the VTN from my Phantom to my Trust wallet. So you hit external wallet, blinkety blink, hit connect wallet. I'm gonna use Trust wallet, so I'm gonna hit wallet connect. Boom. So how this works with wallet connect is you hit this little square right here at the top, right here, and then a camera should pop up like so, and then bada boom, scan it, and then you should get a thing to connect your wallet. You should connect it if you want. I connected mine. So I staked 12,000 already. 128. Alright, cool. 128. That's not right. Should be less than that. Unless it is that. That's weird. I only sent 100,000. Oh no, I sent all of it. That's right, I did send all of it. Alright. So stake. My bad. I did send all of it. So I'm gonna actually let me do only 100,000. No, let me just do all of it. Fuck it. stake that. And then you should get a thing, approval for your signature in the wallet. And hopefully you have security set up, do your biometrics to approve it. And boom, you're good to go. Oh, no, one more approval. Nice. All right, and you're good. It's in Spanish, but I think I understood what it said. It was green. Oh yeah, you have staked 128,520 tokens. Nice. Transaction hash. Let's see. So staked total, I have 100 and oh no, that's not it. Is that me? Yeah, 141,312 tokens. And the estimated reward is 80,292.69 tokens. But that's gonna be in a year. Until then, I can DCA more because it's gonna be cheap as hell. Because everyone's sleeping on it. Haha. Alright, peace out.